Controversial Nigerian pastor based in the United Kingdom, Tobi Adegboyega, has stirred up social critics after describing Afrobeat superstar Davido, popularly known as Davido, as a gospel artist. Speaking during an episode of the Off the Record podcast, Adegboyega explained that gospel simply means good news, and he believed Davido is spreading it through his music. He referenced Davido's hit song, Stand Strong, as an example of uplifting content that fits the gospel narrative. Gospel means good news. Everyone there is a gospel artist. Davido is a gospel artist. Have you heard? Because I stand strong, Adegboyega said. The pastor was responding to criticism over his decision to feature secular musicians at his recent birthday celebration instead of gospel artists. He defended his choice, stating that the performers, including Zlatan, were his close friends who supported him unconditionally. What I had then was my friends who are there through thick and thin. Davido told me, I just want to be there and perform for 1 hour. They are my friends. I didn't pay any of them. They love me, and I give my friends platforms, Adegboyega explained. He further dismissed criticisms from gospel artists questioning his style of ministry. He emphasized his preference for surrounding himself with supportive individuals rather than detractors. He concluded, if gospel artists aren't my friends, and are instead joining the bandwagons to criticize me by asking, is that a church? What should I do? Drag them with a rope. It's my friends that will be there. Everyone in that room was my friend. Zlatan is like a son to me. His kids are my kids, and his parents were in my house. So should I now say, well, because you are not a gospel artist, let me go and look for some gospel artists who are criticizing me and force them to sing? My friends will always sing at my events, and the next one will be bigger because my circle of friends keep growing. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.